Deep beneath these mountains lies one of Earth's most valuable treasures. Before a single gram of gold is mined, experts must first discover exactly where it is hidden. Every promising rock formation is carefully mapped and sampled. Accurate geological data saves millions of dollars before mining begins. Portable XRF technology quickly detects valuable minerals without damaging the sample. The strongest gold readings determine exactly where drilling begins. The diamond drill cuts hundreds of meters beneath the surface. It retrieves an untouched rock core that reveals the hidden geology underground. Each rock core tells the story hidden beneath the mountain. Laboratory testing will reveal whether this discovery is rich enough to become a future gold mine. Every core sample is carefully documented before testing begins. Only prepared laboratory samples can reveal the true gold content. The sample is ground into an ultra-fine powder for maximum testing accuracy. Even microscopic gold particles can now be measured. Fire assay is one of the world's most trusted methods for measuring gold. The extreme heat separates valuable metals from ordinary rock. If the laboratory confirms a profitable gold deposit beneath the mountain, mining operations can now officially begin. With the gold deposit confirmed, one of the world's largest mining operations begins. Now the journey from hidden ore to luxury gold jewelry truly starts. Before reaching the gold ore, thousands of tons of waste material must be removed. This exposes the solid rock hiding the valuable deposit below. Every blast hole is drilled with centimeter-level accuracy. Precise drilling ensures safe and efficient rock fragmentation. Every explosive charge is placed according to a carefully engineered blast plan. Safety checks are completed before anyone leaves the blast zone. Controlled blasting breaks millions of kilograms of rock in just seconds. The fragmented ore is now ready for collection.
We are at 78 tons, target is 80.
Roger that, final drop, coming in now.
Clear the area, the truck is moving out.
Each haul truck transports hundreds of tons of gold-bearing rock. The ore is now heading toward its first processing stage. The processing plant receives fresh ore directly from the mine. Large boulders now enter the first crushing machine. The jaw crusher reduces enormous rocks into manageable sizes. This prepares the ore for finer crushing. Secondary crushing creates a consistent ore size. Uniform material improves the efficiency of the grinding process. The screening system ensures only correctly sized ore enters the grinding circuit. From here, the rock will be transformed into a fine mineral slurry for gold recovery. The massive SAG mill begins breaking the ore into much smaller particles. Water transforms the crushed rock into a flowing mineral slurry. The ball mill grinds the ore until valuable minerals are released. Fine particles improve gold recovery in the next process. Hydrocyclones separate particles with incredible precision. Only properly ground material moves forward for gold extraction. Because gold is much heavier than surrounding minerals, gravity helps separate it. This process recovers coarse gold before chemical treatment. Flotation captures valuable gold-bearing minerals that gravity cannot recover. The concentrated material is now ready for the gold leaching process. The concentrated minerals now enter the chemical recovery stage. Here, advanced technology separates gold from the remaining minerals. In the leaching tanks, gold separates from the rock at a microscopic level. The precious metal moves into the liquid solution for recovery. Activated carbon acts like a magnet, capturing dissolved gold from the solution. The captured gold is now ready to be removed from the carbon. The gold is washed away from the carbon using controlled heat and pressure. A concentrated gold solution is now ready for final recovery. Electricity transforms dissolved gold back into a solid precious metal. The recovered gold is now ready for purification and casting. Before refining, recovered gold material must be completely dried. Removing moisture prepares the concentrate for the melting stage. Extreme heat transforms recovered gold material into liquid metal. The molten gold is now ready for purification. Refining chemicals capture the last unwanted materials. Only valuable gold remains inside the molten metal. Liquid gold takes its first solid form as a refinery bar. This is the beginning of the pure gold product used for jewelry. These bars contain valuable gold, but they are not yet pure enough for luxury jewelry. The final refining stage will create internationally certified pure gold. Electrolytic refining removes the final traces of unwanted metals. This process creates gold with extreme purity. Slowly, pure gold separates from the solution and forms on the plates. The result is gold refined to international jewelry standards. The recovered gold crystals are cleaned and prepared for their final refinery form. This material will become internationally traded pure gold.
Pure gold is finally transformed into certified investment bars. These bars will become the raw material for luxury jewelry production.
After millions of years underground and weeks of processing, gold reaches its purest form. Now the journey from mine to luxury jewelry begins. Pure gold bars leave the refinery under strict security control. Now this precious metal begins its transformation into luxury jewelry. Inside the jewelry factory, every gold bar is checked again. Only approved gold moves into the manufacturing process. Gold bars are carefully divided according to the jewelry design. Precision cutting reduces waste during production. Pure gold is too soft for everyday jewelry. Carefully selected alloys create stronger and more durable designs. The molten alloy takes its first jewelry-making shape. These gold rods will soon become luxury designs crafted by skilled artisans. Rolling machines slowly reduce gold into precise thickness. These thin sheets will become the foundation of detailed jewelry designs. Computer-controlled lasers create perfect jewelry components. Every cut is made with precision to protect valuable gold. Gold wire production requires extreme control and accuracy. These delicate wires will become parts of luxury chains and ornaments. Modern CNC technology creates complex luxury jewelry details. Precision machines prepare each piece for final craftsmanship. To measurements. Even with advanced machines, skilled craftsmen shape every luxury piece. The final beauty of gold jewelry comes from gold bracelets require perfect balance between strength and beauty. Each curve is carefully shaped by skilled craftsmen. Thousands of tiny gold links create a single luxury chain. Precision machinery ensures every link matches perfectly.
Gold bracelets require perfect balance between strength and beauty. Each curve is carefully shaped by skilled craftsmen. Precious stones transform gold into luxury masterpieces. Every gemstone is
The final polish reveals the true beauty of gold. After this stage, every piece is ready for quality testing and
Even the smallest particles must be removed before final approval. Ultrasonic cleaning gives luxury jewelry a flawless finish. Surface finishing enhances the shine and durability of luxury jewelry. Every detail is refined before certification. Every authentic gold jewelry piece receives a unique identity. Hallmarks prove purity and manufacturing standards. Before reaching customers, every piece passes strict inspection. Only perfect jewelry receives final approval. Every gram is recorded before the jewelry leaves the factory. The finished gold masterpiece is now ready for the world market. Every luxury jewelry piece is documented before reaching customers. High-quality images showcase the craftsmanship behind every design. Luxury packaging protects the value and beauty of each creation. Every piece travels with its own authenticity record. Before shipment, every piece remains protected inside a secure vault. Advanced tracking systems follow each valuable item.
International gold jewelry shipments require strict documentation. Every package is secured before leaving the factory.
After a long journey from mine to factory, the jewelry begins its global journey. Now these gold creations travel to customers around the world.
Every international gold shipment must pass strict customs verification. Only approved products can enter the luxury market. After traveling across continents, the gold jewelry reaches its final destination. Now it is prepared for customers to experience its beauty. Presentation is the final step before a customer sees the finished creation. Every piece is displayed to highlight its craftsmanship.
After a journey from mine to showroom, gold finally reaches the customer. Each buyer chooses a piece carrying years of craftsmanship. Authenticity verification gives customers confidence in their investment. Every certified gold piece carries the story of its journey from mine to masterpiece.
After verification, the final purchase process begins. Every detail is recorded before the jewelry changes hands. Modern systems securely complete the jewelry transaction. The value of gold is now transferred through verified records. The final presentation protects the beauty of the finished piece. From deep underground to a luxury box, the journey is complete.
After a remarkable journey, gold becomes a symbol of beauty and value. A creation that started in a mine now reaches its final owner.
From a hidden mineral beneath the earth to a symbol of luxury, this is the incredible journey of gold, from mine to jewelry.